So here's a quick video to show you how I clean and restore this old 1.5" Purdy brush. Also, thanks to my friend Brian, I now use Pretty Boy for all my tools and equipment cleaning. Be sure to check him out by clicking the link in this video. For this task, I will be using a comb, a soft fine wired brush, and a stiff coarse wire brush, along with the cleaner and conditioner. After rinsing the excess paint off the brush with water, apply about a teaspoon amount of Pretty Boy directly to the brush, work thoroughly with the wire brush or by hand for 30 seconds, let it sit anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes on a flat surface, and then of course rinse thoroughly with water and repeat as needed. After the brush is cleaned, combed, and wrung out, I then use about a 12-inch piece of masking paper to wrap the brush tightly, allowing the bristles to reshape as they dry. Once again, shout out to Brian over at Pretty Boy, where the products are made for painters by painters. So whether you're a handyman, a painter, drywaller, or a do-it-yourselfer, you will want some of this in your toolbox. Hope you enjoyed this video. Leave any questions or comments, and please don't forget to like and share.